How to change language on Amazon Shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon Shopping. This is the home page as you can see. Now go down here and click on those three lines. Now click on the settings option, the second one, and click on country and language. Now go down here and you will find the language option. Click on it and choose any language you want from these. It's so easy and fast as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.